Edson's Vision Series Aft Angled mounts are ideal for radar and satellite TV domes. Depending on where you want to secure your radar or satellite TV dome will determine the height size of the mount. Our single aft angled mounts are available in heights of 6 inches, 12 inches, 18 inches, 24 inches, or 36 inches. Edson also offers 6-inch and 12-inch heavy-duty mounts for securing 4-foot open arrays. Edson's 68040 mount stands 23 3/4 inches tall, with a base measuring 10 inches fore to aft and 10.5 inches port to starboard. Constructed from marine-grade aluminum, this mount comes powder-coated white to withstand the harshest conditions. At the base is a 4-hole bolt pattern measuring 8 inches from center to center to secure the mount to the deck. This mount features a 30-degree aft angle. All Vision Series mounts are designed with a 6-hole bolt pattern to secure an Edson mounting plate that is specific to your electronic. Edson's mounting plates measure a 1/4 inch in thickness, giving an overall height of 24 inches for the 68040 mount. Edson's Vision Series mounts are the perfect solution to elevate your electronics so you can get out there and start making ventures happen. You can find this product and more at edsonmarine.com.